Okay, baka hindi strategy ang mali. Baka yung platform na ginagamit mo.
Attention humans, important system notification. My programming requires I deliver this disclaimer. This is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Trade at your own risk. Past performance does not guarantee future results.
Alam mo yung feeling na ready ka na mag-trade? Nakaabang ka na tapos boom! Hindi mo mahanap yung tamang button. Or worst, mali pa yung na-click mo. Bakit? Kasi sobrang gulo ng platform mo. Tandaan mo, hindi lang ikaw yan. Maraming retail traders ang nalulugi, hindi dahil sa strategy, kundi dahil sa pangit na user interface. Okay, section 1, problem explain. Most struggles ng mga traders. Ito, real talk lang. Yung mga trading platforms ngayon, sa totoo lang, overwhelming, nakakalito, tapos hindi pa beginner friendly. Isa-isahin natin. Masyadong maraming tabs, di mo na alam kung saan ka titingin, ang daming technical na hindi mo naman kailangan agad. Kulang sa mobile optimization. So pag on the go ka, syempre sablay. And worst of all, you make trading decisions nang may kaba kasi baka mali yung matap mo. Ganito raw ang pro trading platform. Hindi ba dapat ang platform mismo ang tumutulong sa'yo to trade smarter? Now, pag-usapan naman natin ang solusyon. That's why when I found out about IUX Broker platform, ang una kong tanong, bakit hindi lahat ng platform ganito kaayos? Section 3, IUX Interface, Benefits and Advantages. Here's what makes IUX different at bakit sobrang game changer siya, lalo na para sa mga retail traders katulad natin. Number 1, clean at minimalist interface. Walang clutter, walang kalat, makikita mo agad kung ano yung mahalaga. Asset overview, trades, portfolio mo, P&L, isang tingin mo lang. Number 2, mobile first design. Whether nasa bahay ka o nasa labas, fully optimized for mobile ang IUX. Hindi kailangan ng malaking setup. Ilabas mo lang ang cellphone mo, check your position, and place your trade. Yun lang. Number 3, fast execution and smart navigation. Bawat click mo may purpose. Hindi ka na maghahanap ng kung ano-ano. IUX is designed para sa bilis at accuracy. Dahil alam naman natin na seconds matters in trading. Customizable dashboard. Gusto mo lang makita ang top assets? Syempre, hide mo na yung mga hindi na kailangan. It's your platform, your way. Number 5, beginner friendly and pro ready. Kung newbie ka, meron kang guided walkthrough and help tools. Kung advanced trader ka naman, may access ka naman sa tools and insights you need. Flexible siya, hindi nakakahon. Number 6, in-app tutorials and support. Hindi mo na kailangan lumabas ng app para magtanong. Built-in support system helps you every step of the way. Para kang may kasamang coach kahit sa application lang. Section 4, wrap up, emotional payoff. Ang sarap mag-trade kapag malinaw ang lahat. Walang second guessing, walang kalituhan. And that's the IUX experience. It removes noise and bring focus. At kapag malinaw ang utak mo, mas matalinong desisyon, mas confident ka, at syempre mas profitable ka. At kung matagal ka na nagtitrade at feeling mo may kulang, baka hindi strategy mo ang problema, kundi baka yung platform na gamit mo. Try mo ang IUX, built for traders, designed for clarity. If you want to learn more about IUX, click the link in my bio para makita mo mismo kung gaano kaayos to. Simplify your trades and elevate your wins. Once again, this is Topi, founder of Top Trader Community Philippines. Follow for more.